If the cycle has completed and water is still left in the machine, select Drain and Spin to remove any water remaining in the washer. This can be caused by one of these conditions: use of an extension cord overheating the motor, oversudsing from improper detergent use causing a suds lock in the pump, restricted drain caused by a clogged, kinked, or frozen drain hose. There may be an item or debris in the pump or filter preventing completion of pump out. On many models, there may be an access for cleaning out the pump and/or the filter. Instructions are included in the owner's manual. Be aware, however, if there is water left in the tub, water will be spilling on the floor when the pump and/or filter is accessed. Be sure to follow instructions and take proper precautions. Pressing the Pause Cancel button twice should cancel any cycle that is being operated. However, if there is still water in the machine, the washer will attempt to pump out the water before unlocking the door. This can take up to 5 minutes.